What is medical anthropology? So to understand what medical anthropology is, one has to understand what anthropology is. Anthropology, right, is a comparative study of human biology and culture. It's a holistic discipline, and we use lots of different kinds of methods and lots of different kinds of data, both quantitative and qualitative. We are actually known as one of the most humanistic of the sciences and the most scientific of the humanities. Anthropology has four major subfields. There's biological anthropology that looks at the emergence and development of human biology. There's archaeology that reconstructs human prehistory and looks at historical development of humanity. There's linguistic anthropology that explores the role of language, interaction, meaning in the human experience. And there's cultural anthropology that explores the shared and learned behavior known as culture, and which has been contrasted with biology. Now, medical anthropology is a form of anthropology that comes out of cultural anthropology. So culture and understanding culture is very important in medical anthropology. And it's a complex concept. It includes beliefs, values, and knowledge that humans have. It includes the behavioral norms and rules and expectations of behavior. In fact, it really includes the whole way of life of a particular human population that is learned and shared amongst them, rather than simply being given by biology. Now, medical anthropology studies human disease and illness by considering both biological, which is kind of in the background in the study of medical anthropology, as well as cultural factors, right? So in a way, medical anthropologists want to understand how an illness experience is or involves or includes cultural factors. How and why does illness vary across different human populations? In the same way, how does diagnosis and treatment vary? And why? Generally speaking, right, what role does culture have in the human illness experience and medical treatment of it? What role does culture have in illness and its treatment? So, in conclusion, to summarize, right, anthropology is the study of humanity in both the biological, what we usually think of when we think of medicine and the medical, if you will, but also its cultural aspects. Medical anthropologists study human experiences of illness and treatment, including ways that are shared and learned in that experience. So we're really interested in how something like illness varies across different human populations, different cultural populations. So I'm going to end this introductory video with a question for you. What cases of medical anthropological research are discussed in the Singer et al. Text introducing medical anthropology? What particular cases or case studies of medical anthropology research are discussed by Singer in the beginning of introducing medical anthropology?